Tonight we're gonna finish trying to take off this outer rocker and see what else we can do. I was messing around with it this weekend and I thought it was tack weld back here. It was actually just a weld that I didn't cut all the way through here. I actually got it somewhat loose. But I believe I need to go underneath and undo the spot welds that are holding it together underneath here. And I think that's what I'm gonna try to do tonight. So as you can see, there are quite a few spot welds on this underside, and we'll be trying to take those off probably over the next day or two. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to work. I got to thinking that maybe instead of drilling out the spot welds, which there's no rocker panel there or up there, I just may take my 3-inch cutoff wheel and zip that off right there and be done with it. Looks like we did it. As soon as I cut that little piece of metal, it just fell down, as you can see here. But I do realize that this little flange here is part of the outer, and that has to be spot welded onto the back of the inner. And I do think that I missed some spot welds over here, especially right now in this area where the outer butts up to the back of the door pillar. And that is that. Got this one off. I need to do some cleanup work here, get the rest of this off, and then find out how this inner rocker attaches back here and through here. But overall, so I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I know I need to do a lot of work on this area here to try to see if I can save any of it. Hopefully I can. And then I need to order a new lower. I don't know if it'd be easier to do a whole door pillar or not, or just do the lower portion. Anyways, I think that's it for me tonight. I'm pretty dirty, and it's about 12:30, so I think I'm gonna head in and get ready for work in the morning. Guess I'll see y'all on the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.